Have you wondered if AI could take your job? This issue sparks debate worldwide. Let's explore why AI might replace jobs. AI, or artificial intelligence, learns and works like humans. Here are 3 reasons AI could take over jobs. First, AI's efficiency is impressive. It performs tasks faster than people and works without breaks. Next, AI enhances accuracy. It minimizes human error, especially in data entry tasks. Lastly, AI reduces costs for companies. They save on salaries, benefits, and vacations. Picture a factory floor where robots complete tasks once done by many workers. In summary, AI replaces jobs for efficiency, accuracy, and cost savings. Understand these changes to adapt effectively. Stay informed and explore new skills. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace the future with AI.